So I'm going to show you how you can be able to start investing in cryptocurrency, so especially into Bitcoin, Litecoin, and to all other currencies that you can just invest on, right? So all we have here, we're going to go and to check out. So this is Binance. So wherever you are, Binance is able to trade Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is one of the best currencies you can find right now. As of its inception, man, it has been making waves, making millions, making people richer each and every day, man. So even though now we are slightly having a bit of a dip right here, so it has went down a bit now. If you can see, it's going down now. It looks like it's starting to get up a little bit right now. But if you can understand this, right, this is just a weekly chart and this is a daily chart, right? So if you can understand what this means, you will be close into understanding what is Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is like an asset which you buy, you hold it, but it has some risk into it, right? It goes up and down, right? You buy it, you hold it, it can go down, it can go up. As of today, if you were a daily trader, you would understand this. If you probably bought it here, you didn't know it was going to go down, so you bought it here 846, it goes down into 811. That means you were going to lose the difference there, which you see what I meant, right? But if you had bought here, right, on this dip right here, that's 809,103, and then you hold it right there, right? So the time was around 130, right? Okay, so as you can see them, the date was at the 5th of the 5th 2021, 130, right? And then it comes up here, right? And then it goes into this one. You can see right there, it goes up, right? So it was from here 809, then goes up into 833. That means just for today you would have gained how much? From 809 into 833. So you can count the difference there. But the problem is, someone would say, I don't have 809,103. Man, you can start with just 500 rand. And if you want to start, you just have to start, man, and then just do it. But just remember, I am no financial advisor. Whatever I do here, I just try to just help you guys to just actually make some extra money on the side, not exactly just making you to just do anything like that. So that's only what I am trying to say here. So this is how Bitcoin works. So we're going to check on to how Binance, you can actually buy from Binance and to Luno, right? So it depends, Binance has some little bit issues in South Africa. They say that the depositing, when you deposit onto it, it has been a little bit suspended for now, because you see right here how you can buy. You can just deposit on with your bank. You can even use your credit card. There's some P2P trading, which I will explain it onto another video. And there's about third-party payment. I will actually go on to another video with that one, because you need to go into a little bit on to depth with that, because it's a little bit a process for you to understand. But if you can just come here, click onto this deposit by bank, you're going to get your own reference which you can use to put in onto your banking app, and then you can just proceed from there. And the credit card is just going to put in on your details from your banking details, and then you can just start right there. So but on this video there are some links into both Bitcoin and Luno, right? You can just go straight down so that you can make sure that you download the best one, because there are some people who try and to just emulate these and just try to make them look like it's Bitcoin or it's Luno, and then you're probably going to download the wrong one. So I have the real ones on the description below, so you just go there and just get started. And if you use my link, right, you're going to save on fees with Binance. Okay, so this is Luno. When you actually get onto inside, all you have to do is just go onto there and just come inside. So this is Litecoin as of just by so this is just a daily chat right now, so you can just see how much this has went up. I mean, if you had put in your 4,000 somewhere right in here, it would have been 5,000 now, gain of 1,000 rand. Just imagine that. I mean, this is one of the best stuff you can do, right? So I am going to show you how you can actually buy Litecoin right now, right? So okay, so it just wants me to sign in again, so let me just do that. Okay, so we have signed in onto our Luno account. So I'm going to come and click onto this exchange so that I can show you how I can actually invest on Litecoin, and then so that I can hold some, right? So I just put some demo amount onto it. I will not show you the real account which I am using, so this is what I have right now. I have about 444 rand into this, so I am going to buy, right? But the thing is, I am not gonna buy here. You see, this is Litecoin is getting up and down, right? So let's see into just a 1 minute chart how it has been. You can just imagine, in just 1 minute this has gone up and down. How much, right? So if I was a daily trader, right, you would see this. This is 1 month, 3 months, 5 days. Just 5 days, okay. Not into a minute. It is just month and days, right? So it's not showing. It's not showing into minutes or into anything like that, no? So I am going to actually buy it somewhere down here, right? Because I believe it's going to come down somewhere here, and then I will wait for it to go up again. So my target is just around 4,600. So that's how. So you make sure you put this into a limit order, because there is a market order, there's a stop limit order. Those are different stuff which you actually have to learn about, but I will actually do a video onto that. So So stay tuned and you actually subscribe on the channel so that you don't miss all these updates I'm going to just show, right? So I'm going to put on a limit order. So what you're going to do, you come on to Zap price, right? Because we're in South Africa, right? So you're going to come here and then you're going to put up a price which you want to buy with. So what I'm going to buy with is around 4,600. So I'm gonna say 4,600, right? That's the price I am willing to buy from. It's not like I'm buying with 4,600. I am buying when the price is in 4,600, because now the price is in 5,105. That's where the price of Litecoin is right now. But I want to buy it when it's on 4,600, right? It's going to go down, I know. Whether when, I don't know, but it can happen in the next 5 minutes, in the next hour, in the next 2 days. It can do that. So all I want is just to buy it when that price hits that, right? So that it can go up again and then I can make some profit onto that, right? Or I can just hold it, because just imagine here, if I had buy and hold in about 5 days ago, right? This was in 3,977. If I had bought in 5 days ago somewhere here, this was May, this is May, right? This is on May 2nd, May 3rd, May 4th. So if I had bought somewhere here, it would have been 395. Today it would have been 5,100. Just imagine that, how much I would have made by then. So this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to buy it when it's 4,600, and then when it hits that, I am going to come on to amount I am willing to buy with. I'm just going to say max all of my amount that is inside there, which is that 444. That's what I am going to buy with. But the trick is onto this: when you put less money, you get less profit, right? Because there's no way you can buy a laptop with 1,000 rand but it costs 6,000 rand, right? And then you sell that and think that you're going to get the full profit onto that. It doesn't work like that, right? You buy an apple which costs 2 rand, you sell it when it costs 3 rand, you gain the 1 rand, right? That's how this whole thing works. So I just hope you understand it, and if you don't, just leave a comment below. I'll try my best to actually try to respond to it and try to clarify whatever you don't understand on. So we're going to make this order now and then wait until it gets into that, right? So you can just see, the best thing about Luno is that you don't even pay any fees when you do this kind of trading. You trade it for free. They don't even charge you any money for doing this. You just sign up and you trade for free. They're not gonna take any money from you or anything like that. Even if you withdraw, or even if you take out money, you put in money, they don't take any fees, right? So we're going to put this one. So we're gonna hit buy Litecoin. So price at limit order, you will place a buy order of Litecoin of this at the price of this, and then you place order, right? So my order is going to, there it is right there. So when this price goes down into this, my trade will go through, I will buy, right? And then we're just going to wait until that happens. So that's it, guys, for this video. it was just a little bit of clarification on how you can be able to buy from your from this exchange, which is Binance and Litecoin. So that's just what it's all about. All the links are on the description below. If you want to get started, do that. You will save some money by just doing that, by just taking these links from me, and then you go already get about 25 rand of Bitcoin if you sign up with this link of mine. Even with this one here, because Binance, when you do the trading, you pay some fees. So if you take this link from me, you're going to get a little fees onto that. So that's it, guys, for this one, and I will definitely see you on the next one. So like and subscribe, and make sure we grow the channel, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.